Welcome to MiniOrange. MiniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Confluence, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OpenID SSO solution available in the market. So in this video we are going to set up Confluence Single Sign-on with Keycloak using OpenID protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Confluence dashboard, and click on the setting icon on the top right corner, and select Manage Apps option. Go to Find New Apps. You can search here for add-ons in Atlassian Marketplace. Go to the Search tab and type OAuth SSO and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with MiniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin, and after activation of the license key, click on MiniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO. Click on Add New Provider, and select Keycloak as IDP. Now you are on Configure OAuth tab. We will be covering Keycloak setup here. You can also go through the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instruction. Now, we are configuring Keycloak as OpenID provider. Go to your Keycloak admin console and log in with your Keycloak credentials. Go to Clients from the dashboard and click on Create button to create a new client. Enter the client ID, and select Client Protocol as OpenID Connect, and click on the Save button. After client is created, change its access type to confidential. You will find valid callback redirect URL in the plugin, which is used to tells the OAuth provider where to send the tokens. Copy it and paste it in the given field. And click on the Save button. Now to get the user's attribute, we have to map client and group membership. So go to the mappers. You can create your own mapper by clicking Create button. Right now, we will be using built-in mapper here. You can enable any protocols. We will be enabling email groups, full name, and click on the Add Selected button. Add mapper successfully created. Now let's set up Confluence as OAuth client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. Enter custom app name. Enter the client ID which you have created in Keycloak. To get the client secret, go to the Credential tab. Copy the client secret and paste it here. Enter scope as OpenID. For host name, copy the complete base URL of your Keycloak, and paste it here. To get realm name, go to the realm setting, and copy the realm name, and paste it here. Logout endpoint is optional, and click on the Save button. And you can see configuration saved successfully. Then click on Test Configuration, and you can see successful test configuration here, along with name and email. After successful test connection, you will get to see SSO button on the Confluence login page. Now click on Use a OAuth login button, and you will be redirected to Keycloak for authentication. And now enter your Keycloak credentials and press the login button. You will be successfully logged into Confluence using Keycloak credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data, and you can see the user email ID here. MiniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.